Hello everybody, today we start from the cockpit preparation. In particular, we'll start getting the overhead panel ready and I will go ahead. So the main principle according to Airbus is that all white lights will go off. So we will start from the oxygen crew supply, then we will move vertically from the left, then center, and then to the right hand side. Now, ground control on. This allows us to perform the cockpit voice recorder test. But first, we make sure that the parking brake is set, and then we will go here, make sure that the switch of INT is on both sides, that the volume here is at the minimum, here also, and then the loudspeaker volume is at the minimum on both sides, and only now we will perform the CVR test. We need to hear a chime even if the loudspeakers are selected off. We hear it, the test is successful. Then we go up, EVA control kept and only as per company policy. The IRSs are in nav mode, strobe light auto, nav and logo 1, all other lights are off, seat belts are off, we are refueling, non-smoking sign auto, emergency exit light is armed. Then we make sure that the cabin pressure mode selector is auto, the light is off, the landing elevation is auto, cross bleed auto, pack flow is in normal if you have more than 141 passengers. And now we will do the electric system test. So we will go ahead and select the electric page, and now I will switch off and back on the batteries, and I need to make sure that the voltage will be below 60 amperes and decreasing in less than 10 seconds. So battery number 1, and it's already below 43, so this battery is tested acceptable. Battery number 2 off and back on, and it is already below 60, so the test is satisfactory. Now I'll go ahead and switch on every fuel pump. And now the next step is to do the engine 1 and 2 fire test. This is the button, and we will be checking that the lights go on, both for the engines and the engine 1 shut-off valve. And then we will need to hear a master warning. We will need to see advisories here on the EWD and on the buttons next to the engine. So I'll go ahead and do the engine 1 fire test. Fire in the hole. Okay, engine 1 test, okay. Engine 2 fire test. Test is satisfactory. Then, as per Airbus, we will ensure that the audio switching is normal, and then we will continue here. All white lights are off. This is all acceptable. Then, for the CVR recorder, we make sure that this button is depressed so that the CVR will record everything that is being said in the cabin. Now we will move here and we go ahead and check. Anti-skid is on. The standby instrument is aligned. Then we go down once again. MCDU number 1. We will check it later. Here everything is okay. The weather radar we tested already, it's off. When the predictive wind shear is off. The cockpit door is in normal mode. The manual extension is stowed. Parking brake is set. Mode selector normal. Masters off. Idle. Switch panel all normal. Then, if CM2 is flying the leg, the transponder will be mode 2, altitude reporting is on, and only then we can enter on the MCDU number 2 and prepare the flight plan for this route. And this is the cockpit preparation.